Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will discuss about a Java program which will solve take a string and solve if it is a snowball string or not. So the problem is, a snowball string is a sentence where each word is arranged in ascending order of their length and is also consecutive. For example, I am the Lord is the snowball string, as length of word I is 1, length of word am is 2, length of word the is 3, length of word Lord is 4. The length of each word is more than the previous word, hence they are consecutive and in ascending order. So we have to write a program to enter any sentence and check if it is a snowball string or not. The words in the sentence may be separated by one or more spaces and terminated by dot or question mark only. The program will generate appropriate error message for any other terminating character. So to do this, first we go to the main section. So in this section we say that it will take the sentence, enter the sentence, then it will take as a string. Now we will check if it is ends with question dot or question mark. If it is dot or question mark, then we will make this sentence as without this dot or question mark. Otherwise the system will output that incorrect termination character, invalid input, and then exit from the program. So if it ends with dot or question mark, it will take the input as without these two marks. So without these terminating characters, we will call the snowball method, snowball class. So we will create an object of snowball d, new snowball, with this sentence without the termination mark. Now it will be returned. We will check if return is 0, we will print that it is a snowball string. If it is not 0, then it will print it is not a snowball string. Then we will close the object, and then now we will go to our class. So this is our class. Here this is one string. So in the constructor of this class we will set the string s as the string coming from the main function of this program. So from this main function we will take this input s, and without terminating character, then we will put this in the s. Now we will go into this check function. So in this check function we will make a list of strings. So here we use trim for terminating the starting and ending blank spaces, and then split the string as one or more spaces. So this is the syntax of taking one or more spaces. So when we split with this syntax, we will split the sentence and it will take the words of this string of this sentence if it is separated by one or more blank spaces. Now we will initialize I, L and SL. So SL is the first length of the string. So here we check the first length, so here it is not in condition, so we will take the SL. Now for the second word, that is I equal to 1, and then list of length I up to list of length I plus plus, L equal to length of the list. Now we have to check if length of the word in the list, length of the word is SL plus 1 or not. So SL will be the previous value of the word, previous length of the word, previous word's length. So now we have to check if the previous word's length plus 1 is now the current word's length. If it is not the same, that is, it is not more than the previous words, not one more than the previous word's length, then it will return 1 and the output will be returned that it will not a snowball string. Otherwise it will, if it is the length is equal to the previous length plus 1, then we will check, we will set that SL equal to SL plus 1, that means previous length, now it is in the length is equal to the current length, so it may be SL plus equal to 1 or it may be SL equal to L. So this is the case where we will check that if the previous word's length is one more than the current word's length is the one more than the previous word's length. So this is our checking. If all this works good, then it will return 0. So here we can see that if all goes well, then it will return 0 and it will print it is a snowball string. Otherwise it is not a snowball string. Now we will run our program. It is a very small code. So now we will run our program. Now the first sentence is I am the Lord. Now it is a snowball string. Now next sentence, he may give bonus. So it is a snowball string. Again one example, is the cold water frozen? So it is terminated with question mark. Now it is also a snowball string and there is no problem. Now if we give the child is father of the man, and then we give exclamation mark. So incorrect termination character, invalid input. Another error example, look before you leave. So it is not a term, it is 4, it is 6, so it is not a snowball string, so it is not a snowball string. So in this way we can see that we can give any input and it will check it is a snowball string or not. So here I am giving more than one space and space dot, so it will also works, it is a snowball string. So I think you all understand. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. If you find it useful, share with your friends and press the like button. Thank you for watching this video.